guys, it's Ashlyn and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since we've last talked, and so just a quick update. I'm in my dorm room here in Chicago. I'm back in school. It is a snowy day, but nonetheless, I wanted to start this year's YouTube video with an unboxing video. About 4 months ago, I subscribed to Petit Vour. And it is a company, it's a subscription company that sends you cruelty-free makeup every month. It sends you skincare products, beauty products, perfumes, and sometimes you get full products in these boxes too. They've been really fun to get. It's like a little present every month, and I honestly use what I get every single month. And so I wanted to do my December's Petit Vour box unboxing on camera to show you guys what I got in this month's box and maybe entice you to try it out. I believe I pay $15 a month for my subscription, and so it's not that bad, and sometimes, like I said, you get full products, and so that's even better. It always comes in a really cute box just like that, and it's really great. And so without further ado, let's unbox this baby. If any of you know me at all, I suck at opening things, so I don't imagine this is going to be very glamorous. If you need to have an adult help you, do so at this point. First of all, can we just talk about the packaging? Their packaging is always so cute. It always says, be bold, be kind, and here we are, guys. Okay, right from the bat, we got some kind of a mask, but first they always start off with this really cute card, and this month's card has a little bunny on it. I hope you guys can see it. And so it always comes with a little card. It says season's greetings, and then it always talks about what the products are and how to use them and how much the products, a full size of the products would be. So this is always so cute. And so I'm gonna keep this close by so I can tell you guys what it does. And so the first thing I got was an immediate skin perfecting beauty mask. And so it detoxes your skin, you can peel it, it's supposed to brighten and firm your skin. And so right away, thank God, because my skin seriously needs it. So this is what the box looks like whenever you first open it. It has all this recycled little cute fuzzy things. And so the first thing that I have in my box is a Ursa Major Golden Hour Recovery Cream. So this just says that it's a face cream that has deep hydration without feeling heavy, and it's for all skin types. And so it's just this little tub like this. Oh my gosh, it always smells so good. It smells so natural. So it says that it's also fast absorbing, and it has Caluda and sea buckthorn. So got this, thank God. This is already awesome because it has a lot of skincare products. So the next thing that I got is called a Lip Whip, and I already love the name. And I'll tell you who it is by. It says that it's a naturally colored lip balm that is enriched with morga oil, rejuvenated and healing scaly for cracked lips. And so it says that it has sheer color, and it kind of turns whatever color your lips are, and I think that it looks really pretty. I'll do a swatch of it right now so you guys can see. Oh, it is really, you can barely tell. It doesn't really have a color, but it feels really hydrating and really smooth, and it has just the tiniest bit of color, a really nice magenta-y type color. And so that's really cool. I'm excited to use that. Again, more hydrating things. Moving on, it looks like I have another serum. This is the Full Brown Serum by Provence and Apothecary. It says it's all for all skin types. I'm very interested to know what this one is. This says this is a brow serum that promotes the appearance of richer eyebrows by stimulating hair follicles and improving hair luster. So you use 6 to 2 drops of this for each eyebrow, and it says that it's also infused with coffee and argan. oil, so I'm very interested to give this a try. I'll have to maybe come back and tell you guys what I think about this. So it basically is just for fuller eyebrows, so I don't know. I'm very, very curious to see what that's going to be like. Looks like our last product in our beauty box this month is a mascara, and this is called the Juicy Beauty Ultra Natural Mascara, and let's open it up and see what it is like. So here it is. It's just a little baby mascara. Here's the wand. It feels pretty good. It feels kind of clumpy, feels a little bit thick, but I'm not going to judge a book by its cover. I'm going to give it a fair go. So it's designed to minimize smudging, flaking, and this is a non-drying formula that leaves your lashes clump-free, which is very important to me because my lashes can get pretty clumpy. Alright guys, that was everything in my December Petit Vour box. It is completely empty, and now I'm just left with all of this stuff, and I am making a mess. As I said, everything that this Petit Vour box is vegan and cruelty free, so if you guys are interested in filling your makeup collection in 2018 with more vegan and cruelty free makeup options, Petit Vour is a perfect way to start, just to kind of testing the ropes. You can go in and like tell them what you want, what you like. You kind of fill out like a beauty application, and then they send you products based on just the kind of things that you like. If you like darker lips or a more natural face, they'll kind of specialize your box gear to what you like. And so anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I can't wait to maybe come back with some of these products and favorites videos. We will see if any of them make the cut, but until then, it has been a pleasure chatting with you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!